My mom has always hoped that I would wear her wedding dress one day, so when I got engaged, I wanted to give it a modern touch with my own love story intertwined. Using masking tape, I'm creating custom patterns for my bodice, marking down the design I want as I go. Cutting the masking tape off myself, I'm going to use these pieces later. I found my mom's dress stored away and wondered how she must have felt on her wedding day. When I tried it on, I could see so many beautiful, intricate details. The lace and the beadwork were so lovely, but I just felt the design just wasn't quite me. I removed the sleeve to reuse the lace. Using a soldering iron, I was able to remove just the pieces I wanted. The melting is so satisfying. Gotta snip off the extras. Using the bottom of the dress, I'm taking my tape patterns to cut out the bodice top. I added some magnets to my scissors for easy seam allowance. Now I can start sewing. I can't wait to see how it all comes together. We're going to start with sewing all the bodice pieces. Oh no, knocked my pins over. Well, thankfully I have a magnetic pin dish for easy cleanup. For straps, I love doing this hack. I slip the strap onto a straw and then using a chopstick, I push it right side out. And voila, a strap! Now using some of the lace from the sleeves earlier, I'm creating this pretty insert. I'm adding boning to create the corset. I'm going to finish up the back by adding some gold grommets. I want to create a pretty flower piece from a satin ribbon. Ironing helps for shaping, and then I slowly burn the edges to make the petals. I place a bunch of these petals in a row and glue them together, rolling them up until a beautiful flower forms. My mom's favorite flowers are white roses. She'll love this tribute to her. I'm adding these pearls for a pretty detail later. Marking the center of this rectangle, I'm doing a basting stitch to scrunch it together. Wrap it around, and look at that, I've got a bow! Adding the details to the dress form. It's really coming along. I like doing this hack to create circle skirts. Mark a quarter of your waist measurement, then the length you want on a folded piece of fabric. Cut it out, and you got a perfect circle. I do 2 rows of basting stitches for easier gathering. For this next part, make a little cut on the fabric and rip through it. It's going to make it perfectly straight. Using this fork hack, I'm creating easy pleats with my strips of fabric. And then I add the pleats to the circle skirt. It's done! This dress will always be more than a dress. It will be a reminder of mine and my mom's shared journey. It will be the start of my own love story while carrying my mom's legacy. I know she's going to love what I did with it. I can't believe my mom's wedding dress went from this to this. Now to surprise my fiancé. I think he loves it too.